Hello, it's March and it's Lego month at the library. So this is what we're going to make. We're going to make a Lego puppet this time. Can't wait to get started. So now the bag that you get your supplies in, we're going to use that for our puppet. So try not to wrinkle it. And this is the way we want to start. We want this side facing, so the bottom needs to face you so that the puppet can work like this. All right, so this is where we're gonna start on this side. And the first piece I want you to take out is the orange paper. Now, once again, this time you need glue or a glue stick or some tape to do this. So, take your paper bag and we're going to put the orange sheet of paper right on the front, just like this. So it's going to look like that, right underneath the flap. Go up to the top and put it like that. And then take your longest strip of white paper. You should have 2 long strips. And I'll show you the placement of that in just a moment. Now, here you go. We're going to run them down the front. Now, if they're a little long, take your scissors and trim off the bottom so they look like this. Then you have 2 short strips of white paper. We're going to cross the long ones like this. So it looks like a tic-tac-toe board a little bit. And then down at the bottom, we're going to take our 4 black squares and put them on either side of the white strip. I'm mending my leg a little bit. So, you should have black, white, black, black, white, black, just like that. And then you want to take your helmet, and you need to put your helmet up on your head. So put your helmet on top of your square flap, just like so. Now, we need to put a bandana on him. So right underneath the flap, we're going to put his bandana just like this. Okay? So his blue bandana, which is a triangle, will sit right in the middle. And we need to put eyes on. So you have 2 small round circles. Those will be eyes. Put eyes right there on his face. We're going to make a face with 2 round circles for his eyes. And then the shape that's almost like a moon shape, like a half a moon, that is his mouth. So we'll put that black shape right there, put his mouth on. And then there's another half of a circle or a moon shape that's a little red piece. That's his tongue. his or her tongue, I should say. Put the tongue right inside the mouth. And then, of course, we need some teeth. So the teeny tiny white piece that looks a little bit like a very thin boat or a canoe, that's his teeth. We're going to put those just up above his tongue, like that. Now, of course, we need arms. So we're going to take the yellow arm, and because he has a sleeve, we're going to we have two black triangles, and we have two arms like this. We'll take one of the black rectangles, and I misspoke, and attach it to the arm. Then take your second one, and take your second rectangle, black rectangle, and put it on the arm. Then we need to put the arms on the body. So right along the side, you can stick your arm on, just like so. And then put your other arm on the other side of the body. So there you have it. There's your puppet. Now let's try it out. See, now your puppet can move. I hope you enjoy March as Lego month and your Lego person. Nice to see you. Can't wait to see you in April. Bye-bye.